Unlocking language, prepositions and conjunctions demystified. Hello, language explorers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into the fascinating world of prepositions and conjunctions in English. These might sound like big, scary terms, but don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll be handling them with ease. So, what exactly is a preposition? In English, prepositions are words that connect and establish relationships between other words. They usually indicate location, direction, time, or manner. Let's look at a few examples. Location. The book is on the table. Direction. She ran towards the park. Time. We will meet after lunch. Manner. He looked at me with surprise. As you can see, these tiny words pack a lot of punch. Now, let's move on to conjunctions. These are the linking, or connecting, words that join words, phrases, clauses, or sentences. There are three main types of conjunctions in English: coordinating, subordinating, and correlative. 1. Coordinating conjunctions. They connect words, phrases, or clauses of equal rank. For example, and, but, or. 2. I like tea and coffee. 3. She is smart, but lazy. 4. Do you want to play basketball or soccer? 5. Subordinating conjunctions. They link a subordinate clause to a main clause. For example, although, because, if. 6. He went to bed, although he wasn't sleepy. 7. I exercise daily because I want to stay healthy. 8. We will go to the park if it doesn't rain. 9. Correlative conjunctions. These work in pairs to join phrases or words that carry equal importance within a sentence. For example, either, or, both, and, not only, but also. 10. Either John or Peter will help you. 11. She is both intelligent and beautiful. 12. He is not only a singer but also a dancer. Now that we've introduced these terms, let's see how they interact within sentences. Notice how prepositions and conjunctions work together to add depth and complexity to a sentence. She arrived at the station before the train left, but she couldn't find her ticket. In this sentence, at is a preposition showing location. Before is a subordinating conjunction that connects two actions, and but is a coordinating conjunction that introduces a contrasting idea. And there we have it, folks. An introduction to the world of prepositions and conjunctions. Remember, they are the connecting tissues of language, holding all the other words together. Keep practicing with them, and soon they'll become second nature to you. Thanks for joining us today. We hope this video helped clarify these concepts for you. Don't forget to practice what you've learned. Until next time, keep exploring and keep learning.